Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome back to another video. You know who it is. Yes, you do. It's me. Yeah, it's me. In today's video, guess what I got? Red sherbet. I've never ate this in my life. But before I do, leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Boom! I'm gonna show y'all some cool tricks. Ooh, let's see how it goes. I try it on the top. You see that? See the smoke. Wait, I'm gonna open it. It's weird. It's not like weird, it's like more like a red powder. It's like pink. But I'm sure it should make my mouth weird. Watch this. I'm just gonna eat it first. This is so funny. That's nice. I'm gonna make smoke. Watch this. That's a trick. That's a trick. Oh my god. I don't mess my. Look at that. I don't mess my whole damn pants. Mm. That got in my throat. I tried inhaling. Oh my god. My mouth is not even weird. My tongue is a bit. Done. Look at this. I've never eaten this flavor before. Boom. Candy. That's gone too. Tastes like Eclipse. Look at that. It got like a crater inside. I'm gonna bite this whole thing off. Watch. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. You found my pizza. Want a bite? That is great. Anyway, that's enough for today's video. If you have any recommendations of things you... That's some... Sure. If you have any recommendations of what you want to see me eat or try out, I will leave it down below in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Leave a like, subscribe. Peace out.